So you are an editor and you want to make this type of AE style outro in CapCut. Within just 2 minutes, got you bro. Just watch this full video. Before starting the tutorial, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Go to Animations and select Zero Gravity. Set the duration to full. Then go to Blood Italic and select Bold. Then export it. Then come back to the project. Then replace the main video with the exported clip. Then go to Effects and search Lightning Crake. Then again go to Effects and search Chrome Blur. Set the intensity to 25%. Then again go to Effects and select Edge Glow and set the intensity to 15%. Then go to Sound Effects and search Lightning and add any sound that you want.